In this video, I will share with you 5 daily practices that can help improve your mental well-being. Practice 1. Take time to meditate. Meditation is a powerful tool to calm the mind and reduce stress. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Allow your thoughts to come and go without judgment. Practice 2. Stay physically active. Exercise not only benefits your body but also your mind. Engaging in regular physical activity releases endorphins, which can help improve your mood and reduce anxiety. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Practice 3. Practice gratitude. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you're grateful for. This simple act can shift your mindset and bring positivity into your life. Write down or voice aloud 3 things you are grateful for, no matter how big or small. Practice 4. Connect with others. Social connections are essential for our mental health. Reach out to friends, family, or even join a club or community group. Engaging in meaningful conversations and sharing experiences can foster a sense of belonging and support. Practice 5. Prioritize self-care. Take time each day to do something that brings you joy or relaxation. Whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or engaging in a hobby, make self-care a priority and indulge in activities that recharge your mind and spirit. Adding these 5 daily practices into your life can help improve your mental well-being. Remember, it's a journey, and small steps can lead to significant changes. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more practical tips on health and well-being.